Hi, in this video we are going to see the assistant professor vacancies notification from the different government universities as well as the private colleges guys. And here there is eligibility for the candidates who are having only post graduation as well as the PG plus UG in it as well as the PhD. So for all these different types of candidates here the vacancies are there. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. It will be very much helpful to them, and to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Anyhow, here I am going to show you few permanent assistant professor vacancies. Okay, so we will check the details guys. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that Unacademy is starting the complete courses for the NTA UGC NET preparation from 1st May 2021 onwards. So here the electronic science candidates, the complete batch is going to start from 12th May 2021 onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan guys. The links are kept at the description box of this video, and for more details you may watch at the end of this video. And now while coming to the present content of the video, so here the first one is Kamala Nehru College, University of Delhi. From this one you may check down the advertisement for the post of assistant professor on guest basis. And the following guest faculty position is available at Kamala Nehru College for teaching the below mentioned department for the academic year 2020-21 as per the requirement of workload. And the guest faculty will be paid honorarium of 1500 rupees per lecture subject to maximum 50,000 rupees per month. Okay, and here only one post is there under the psychology department. This one also under the unreserved category. And coming to the educational qualifications, at least 55% of marks in the master's degree. Along with that one, the candidate must have cleared the NET. And the desirable teaching research in reputed organizations and the papers and the conferences of the journals. And the applications with passport size photograph and prescribed format starting 12th standard onward may be sent by email on kamala.nehru_du@hotmail.com, latest by the 16th May 2021. Anyhow, today is the 16th, so please send as early as possible if you belongs to this department, because there is no necessity of sending the hard copy to the college. Okay, and the applications will be screened and only the shortlisted candidates will be called for the online interview. Okay, so there is no physical attendance of the interview is there. You can attend the interview by simply sitting in your home itself. Okay, so few more details are given here. You may check down guys, and I will provide this PDF link in the description box of this video. Okay, and the next one is Xavier University. So from this one, the faculty recruitment is there. Okay, announced. So applications are invited from meritorious and the talented teachers for appointment of faculty positions, assistant, associate, as well as a professor for School of Economics in the Xavier University, Bhubaneswar. Okay, so if you want to get the more details, you may click here, and applications are also invited for the department School of Rural Management in the Xavier University, Bhubaneswar. Okay, so if you want to get the eligibility conditions and all these things, just you may click on that one, and then you will be forwarded to the Google Drive guys. Okay, so you may check down here what are the different things required, eligibility conditions. But here you may think that, you may check that assistant professor qualification is required the PhD. Okay, so PhD in the appropriate branch with first class is required, both School of Rural Management as well as for the School of Economics. If you are having the PhD, then only proceed for this application procedure guys. Okay, and here how to send, that everything is mentioned here. Okay, and coming to the next one is, it is IIFPT College. So from this one here, the recruitment of faculty positions are there. So you may check down here. Just wait, I will zoom this one. So this notification dated on 16th May 2021, and here you may check down the associate as well as the assistant professor vacancies from the food process or agriculture process engineering, and assistant professor in livestock product technology, meat science and technology. Okay, the number of vacancies are 1 as well as food science and nutrition. So previously I got few comments that to post the vacancies on the food science department. So based upon those comments, I searched this one guys. So all the interested candidates has to apply, and the online application will closes on 17th May 2021 at morning 10 o'clock. That means tomorrow itself it is going to be closed. So I will provide this link in the description box of this video. So to get the detailed notification, okay, you may click down here guys, then you will get the PDF format, the complete notification you will get regarding the details. Okay, so recruitment of faculty positions for the associate professor, and coming to the assistant professor, here the qualifications are mentioned. So essential qualifications: master's degree in the animal science, okay, and assistant professor in the food science. So master's degree in the food science or food science and nutrition. Age limit is not exceeding the 32. Okay, so here only post graduation you can apply for this one, guys, and the remaining details you may check down here in this. Okay, and I will provide all the links in the description box of this video. And coming to the next one is MCET. So in this college also, here the vacancies are announced regarding the professor as well as assistant professor who belongs to the department CSC IT, Artificial Intelligence and Data Science and Cyber Security only. And here norms to apply for professor and norms to apply for the assistant professor. First class in both UG and PG degrees is mandatory. At least 1 to 2 years of experience in reputed institutions is preferable. So you need not to get any PhD or the UG's net here. So if you are having the UG and PG, then you may apply for this one, guys. So for application and further details, you may visit the official website, and applications are to be uploaded using the link carits.mcet.in. And please send the scanned copy of filled in application to the principal at the rate drmcet.ac.in. And here one more mail ID is also given, only within 15 days from the date of this advertisement. So actually this advertisement released on the 15th May 2021. So still 15 days are there. That means by this month end. So you may apply if you belongs to these departments, guys. Okay. So total these are the vacancies from 4 colleges. Okay. So one is from MCET college, and the second one is from IIPT, and the next one is from Xavier, and next one is from University of Delhi, that is Kamala Nehru College. Right? So please share this information or else this video to your friends or colleagues who belongs to these departments. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UG's NET exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys.